மாணவர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Biostatistics. Introduction. The word statistics has two different meanings. Generally, without statistics there is no science என்று ஒரு வார்த்தை இருக்கிறது. ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் இல்லாமல் அறிவியல் இல்லை. அதன் அடிப்படையிலே ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸை இரு பொருள்பட நாம் அறிந்து கொள்ளலாம். First one, statistics is the name of the process used to summarize collected observation to describe essential properties of a sample population, frequently leading to a better understanding of a specific topic or issue. The analytic tools used to create this description are also called statistics. These are two different meanings for statistics. Now, measurement is a cornerstone of a statistical analysis and key to much of human knowledge. So, measurement is the cornerstone of a statistical analysis and key to much of human knowledge. We will develop the knowledge by using statistical idea here. This means the fundamental element of a statistical analysis is called a variable. Variable என்றால் மாறி. மாறி என்பது ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸை பொறுத்தமட்டில் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்கல் பகுப்பாய்வு, புள்ளியியல் பகுப்பாய்வினுடைய அடிப்படை கூறு மாறியாக அமைந்திருக்கிறது. The fundamental element of a statistical analysis is called a variable. A statistical variable defined in its simplest forms is the thing measured, counted or identified. Think of interest. For example, the birth weight of a newborn infant, the count of coronary heart disease cases. These are examples for statistical variables. Variables means மாறி, அதனால இதெல்லாம் இடத்திற்கு தகுந்தால் போல் மாறும், நேரத்துக்கு தகுந்தால் போல் மாறக்கூடிய தன்மை உடையது. How many heart disease persons? The process of organizing and summarizing measurements collected to study the properties of a variable is called descriptive statistics. What is descriptive statistics? Here. Next, this is very important definition for statistics. Statistics is a science that deals with the method of collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of information that can be stated numerically. We can convert any data into numerically for best understanding or understood the issue or objects. Biostatistics is a statistics applied to the biological sciences as health and medicine. Statisticsல biological ஐடியாவை அப்ளை பண்ணினோம்னா become it is called biostatistics. Then types of statistical method. There are 5 types here available for statistical methods. First one, descriptive methods, analytical methods, inductive methods, inferential methods, applied methods. We will discuss briefly one by one. Descriptive method. This type of method consists of all the preliminary steps to final analysis and interpretation. As such method includes the method of collection, method of tabulation, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of skewness, and the analysis of time series. These are very important basic ideas in statistics that includes the descriptive method, how to collect the data, how to make the tabulation, measures of central tendency. This include the mean, mode, median. These are called the central tendency. Average is the one of the main thing in statistics that is called mean, arithmetic mean, mode, median, measures of dispersion, standard deviation. Measures of dispersion means standard deviation. Measures of skewness and analysis of time series. These methods bring out the various characteristics of data and help in summarizing and interpreting the salient feature of the data. This method is also otherwise called descriptive statistics. Next, analytical method. This type of method consists of all those methods which help in the matter of analysis and comparison between any two or more variables. Comparison means correlation between two data. How to compare two data for consistency. If the data may be consistency or not, that include analytical methods. This includes the method of correlation here. You find out correlation. This is one of the very important, which make the two data compare which one is consistent. Regression analysis, association of attributes and the like. This method is also otherwise called the analytical statistics. Next, inductive methods. This type of method consists of all those procedures that helps in the generalization or estimation over a phenomenon on the basis of a random observation or partial data. This includes the procedure of interpretation, extrapolation, interpolation, the extrapolation, theory of probability, and the like. Theory of probability. Probability include the inductive method. This method is also otherwise called inductive statistics. Next, inferential method. This type of method consists of those procedures which help in drawing inferences about the characteristic of the population on the basis of samples. குறுவலியின் அடிப்படையில் how to draw the data, how to express the idea of statistics through diagrams. As such, this method includes the theory of sampling, different tests of significance. These are one of the very important ones. Significance, statistical control, etc. This method is also otherwise called the inferential statistics. Next, applied methods. This type of method consists of those procedures which are applied to the problem of real life, applied mathematics. Problem of real life. This includes the method of statistical quality control, sample survey, linear programming, inventory control, and the likes. Next topic, kinds of the biological data. Variables are classified conveniently as a categorical of the quantitative. Categorical variables are further classified as nominal or ordinal, and quantitative variables are further classified as discrete or continuous. To a large extent, the kind of variables dictates the kind of analysis. Nominal variable. The categorical variable is nominal when it results from naming or labeling. Nominal variables have no natural order. For example, the sex of a newborn child, male or female, the ethnicity of the individual, white, African American, or Asian American, the species of a trees, redwoods, cedar, pine, or oak. Ordinal variable. A categorical variable is ordinal when it results from ordering observations into a series of categories when no appropriate numerical scales is available. These are examples. Intensity of pains, none, mild, moderate, or severe. Muscle tone, limbs, simplex or active motion. Smoking status, never, comma, or currents. Injury, none, mild, moderate, severe, or deaths. Ordinal values are frequently ordered based on non-numeric criteria. For example, the classification of values perhaps pushes on ordinal scales to its limits with the classification: small, medium, large, extra large, jumbo, colossal, and super colossal. Discrete variable. A quantitative variable is discrete when it results from counting more technically. A descriptive variable takes on zero or positive integers. These are examples. The number of male children in a family with 3 children. Male children இல்லாம இருக்கலாம், 1 இருக்கலாம், 2 இருக்கலாம், அல்லது maximum 3. The number of spots on the upways of a type. பகடை உருட்டுறப்போ these are sample space, குறுவழி. The number of red blue blood cells in a cubic milliliter of a blood. These are examples for discrete variables. A continuous variable. A quantitative variable is continuous when it results from meanings from measuring. The accuracy of a continuous variable depends on the refinements of a measurement process. In other words, a continuous variable theoretically takes on an infinite number of possible values, and its reported value is limited only by a physical measurement accuracy. These are examples: the birth weight of a newborn infant, the amount of carbon monoxide in a person's lung, the level of cholesterol in a cubic milliliter of a blood. So these are kinds of variables. ஸோ இந்த அளவிலே இந்த பாடத்தை நிறைவு செய்து கொண்டு மேலும் அடுத்த வகுப்பில் சந்திப்போம். வணக்கம்.